Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos out of tortillas. First, let's prepare our foundation, the tortillas. You can choose between corn or flour, depending on your preference. It's crucial to warm them properly so they become soft and flexible, preventing them from breaking when folded. You can achieve this using a microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds, an oven wrapped in foil for 10 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, or a dry skillet for about 30 seconds per side. This simple step makes a huge difference. Now let's talk about the heart of your taco, the fillings. The possibilities are truly endless. You might opt for a classic seasoned ground beef, tender shredded chicken, or even a vegetarian option like black beans or roasted vegetables. Don't forget to add some fresh elements such as crisp shredded lettuce, juicy diced tomatoes, or finely chopped onions. A good salsa or a creamy sauce will also elevate the flavor profile significantly, bringing all the components together beautifully. Toppings are where you can truly personalize your taco masterpiece. Think about adding some shredded cheddar or cottage cheese for a savory touch. A dollop of cool sour cream or a generous scoop of creamy guacamole can provide a wonderful contrast to spicier fillings. Fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice will brighten everything up, while pickled onions or sliced jalapenos can introduce a delightful tangy or spicy kick. These small additions make a big impact on the overall experience. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your delicious homemade tacos. For the best experience, serve them immediately after assembly so the tortillas are still warm and the fillings are fresh. You can also set up a taco bar, allowing everyone to customize their own with a variety of toppings laid out. Tacos are perfect for sharing, so gather your friends and family and savor the wonderful flavors you've created. Enjoy every single bite of your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.